budeme uvidět. Nebudeme už ať to takové. Samo na kam gledaš?
Plus gambleaware.org. So back here at the O2 in London, we are preparing for the first Premier League darts semi-final, which is Kelvin Price, who we were just talking about there, against Luke Leclerc, who only needs, well, a couple.
Have found before, this time of day actually is quite good at this.
Oh, wanker.
And you can see you through that misty window. Right lane.
Okay, now.
Where did he come from?
Mate.
He's come round the wrong way.
He's running away.
I think it is.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, good God.
It's a good job you spotted that.
What an idiot. So he's come up here and done a U-turn.
Yeah. Lucky saying sorry.
Oh, he did say sorry.
Twat.
I think you should.
14, it stopped on the 14.
Yeah.
Come on, what are you bloody doing? Let your speed up. Oh, you bloody fool.
Oh, this guy is just. He's going to the petrol station.
Oh, you twat.
Oh my. Unless he's just lost and he don't know where the petrol station is.
No, he's
What's this
clueless.
here? What's it?
Not that one, it's the next one. It's the next one. Next one. No, it's the next one. That one. Can't you tell people are coming out? You idiot.
Start out there, that's it. Don't kill shit.
God.
He's on the wacky backy smell from here. So this is straight road to even the wrong way. Okay, just let it go. It's more well, so
Oh, he's turning. You can't turn this way.
You can't go that way?
Where are you going, you daft
You can't go that way, can you?
I don't think so.
Oh, so he's cut out the bed? Watch.
Hello.
It's
Oh, you stupid fool.
Well, what's he doing here
I
now?
know.
What did he do?
Idiots.
He had plenty of time then.
Idiots.
He had plenty.
Outed across the shop.
Oh, watch him here.
I know. Yeah, just assume I'm letting you out. It's alright.
Oh, me.
People who don't give a shit.
frigging heart went bumpty bumpty dumpty.
So
now.
Someone now. Over there. Oh, I knew he was going to be coming out whether you liked it or not, sure.
did you look, you
Well,
stupid
stop here.
idiot?
Don't risk the car. It's not worth it. He ain't going to look at you. He don't give a shit. He's
Didn't
in the
even
road.
bloody look. Just pulled out.
Oh,
He's looking in the mirror.
he is. He's looking at you now. There you go. Fuck you.
I think he might be wanting to get back into the right-hand lane. Possibly same with Deb. Debbie in her Range Rover. Quite possibly. So we're watching the white van and Debbie in the Range Rover. Let's see if I'm right about either of them. White van man. That white van man's going left, it seems. Debbie, I don't know. He's going left in white van. I was completely wrong then. Hold on, mate. Left the road open for him. So it should be done, I suppose. Hang on. Debbie, looking Range Rover. See what she's done? She's come straight down left-hand turn lane and then shot across in front of this tanker, look. That's why the tanker's that tanker up here, look. What an arsehole. Hey? So Debbie, with a private plate, to make her stand out, just to make sure you notice her. And now she's getting blocked road for us. Look at this. She isn't even going up to the white line, look. How ignorant can you get, Debbie? Now you don't know how to drive. Oh, I'm going to get down that left-hand turn lane. And then she's blocking us, look. How ignorant can you get? DEB 92V. You ignorant. No signals. Come on. Come on. If you'd have put a signal on before, we could have let you go. I do have the lights stop her. Look where she's driving now. Look at this. Right across the tanker. You ignorant, but she's still over the line. You bitch. You absolute. What a dirty trick. Sirens, where are they? Where are sirens? They're not behind me. Here, left to right. Wow. I cannot believe the girl in that Range Rover.